am going to show you how to create a LinkedIn banner. Now I'm going to be using Canva to create that, and Canva is a free resource that you can use online. You can create an account for free. You don't have to have the pro version. And there's a lot of templates that are available for various different things that you can create in social media. So let me get started. I am logged into my Canva account and I'm going to create a design, and just in here I'm going to type in linked, and it will bring up different options for me here. I am looking for a LinkedIn banner. Okay, so I have typed in LinkedIn banner, and it's not showing exactly those words, which can be confusing. It's actually referring to LinkedIn background photo. So that's the one I'm going to choose. This is the appropriate size that you want to use for a LinkedIn banner that will go at the top of your profile page in LinkedIn. So now you'll notice on the left-hand side, I have a lot of different templates that are available to me. Now the ones that have this little crown, those indicate that is a pro template. So if you do not have a pro account, which is a paid account for Canva, then you will not be able to use those. So you want to look for one that does not have a little crown on it. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll down just to see all the different ones. They have a lot of different ones here. It's going to kind of depend on what style I want, what branding I would like to do. I'm going to choose something simple here. And now we can customize this, and we can change the colors, the font, the text, all of that. So I'm going to start by selecting this color, and I'm going to change the color to something that I really like, which is pink. And then I'm going to change this to my first initial. And maybe I don't even really want that font. So I can actually click on this font right up here, and I can find something else that I might like. That's a little bit too extravagant. That's probably a little bit too tame. Okay, I kind of like this, but it's a little bit too large, so you can't really see what it is right now. I'm going to bring this down to, let's say, 300. And see how that goes. Okay, and I might want to even reposition this just a little bit so that you can see a little bit better. Although, you know, I'm not really liking like the curve in it. It's making it look more like an R. So let's keep looking. I'm going to go with, let's go with this one. And I'll bring this up a little bit more. And let's change the size of this back to like 350. Okay. And I can also expand it here as well if I want to do that. Okay, I kind of like how that's looking, but I want to change the color of this. I'm going to go with a dark pink. And now I need to change the other initial, so I'm going to click outside of it. Sometimes it's a little tricky when you're clicking on stuff. It can get kind of confusing, so sometimes you have to double click to select it. Let's put an S in there, and we're also going to change this to, let's see, which font did I end up going with here? This was Roboto, so we're going to go into the S. Okay, and let's change this to Roboto. And it will keep the last three fonts that you have been currently using. And so I can change that. Now I want to change the color again. Okay, so there we have it. It's just a little bit of an abstract. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to change the name. And this, I'm actually liking that this is a different font. But down here, I'm actually going to change this to Roboto. so that it does match that other font that I've been using. Okay, so it makes it a little bit smaller, but that's okay. This is looking pretty good. So that's how simple it is to create a LinkedIn banner. Now, in order to get this out of Canva and put it in LinkedIn, what you're going to have to do is click on Share, and then you need to go to Download, and this is where it's going to give you some options. So for file type, right now it's suggesting a PNG, and the reason it's suggesting a PNG is because this is pretty much a vector-based graphic. There's not a photo involved in it. JPEGs work a little bit better with photographs, but you can use PNGs for photographs. However, PNGs really shine when it is just a graphic and there is no photo. So I'm going to keep it on PNG. I'm going to keep the size the same, and I'm going to say download. So now it has downloaded my image, and if I want to go look at it, I can open it up here on my Mac, and this is the image that I've just created. Now you're going to take that, you're going to go into LinkedIn, and then you're going to upload it on your profile banner section of LinkedIn. I hope this helps, and I look forward to seeing what you guys create.